Yeah, just got these MSDs, ignition coils. I ordered these on Wednesday, which is yesterday, Wednesday morning, and they came in Thursday afternoon. So came in the next day. So these are gonna be the spark plugs right here. 8 of them, motor crank. Yep, and there they are, man. MSD ignition blaster coils. These are stickers right here. Pretty cool. And they look really high quality. Nice, man. About to put them on the car. All right, so let me show you the basic tools what you're gonna need for this procedure. So to change your spark plug and coil on plug, you're just gonna need some basic tools. Let me show you over here. And this is the anti-seize for the spark plugs, and this is for the coil on plug boot protector. All right, so we got everything we need here. And the spark plugs, I'll be gapping those at 0.54. I mean, you can go between 0.52 and 0.55, I believe, or 56. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a 0.54, so that's right in the middle. Let's start off by gapping this one at 0.54. Right in the middle. All right, let's go ahead and do the rest. And this comes out really easy. So I think I'm just gonna get this whole thing completely out of the way, just so we can have more space to work with. Unplug the sensors. I think I'm gonna set it just right there. Alright, so I'm gonna work my way up from here all the way back to here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go from there back to there. So I'm gonna start with the hardest. So I believe this side is gonna be the hardest, and that side is easier, just because you got the throttle body and the quarter intake on this side, so that makes it a little bit more difficult to work with. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's connect these. Alright, so that's the first one. You can see as soon as I pop this one out, it's already coming apart. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to replace all of them. So this is the other piece. Alright, so that's our first spark plug right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the rest. To install the new coil on plug MSD blaster. before I do that, you know, I gotta prep it with the boot protector. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we got this all nice and greased up. So let's go ahead and drop this in there. Yeah, I like the way these red MSD look, man. It's gonna look really nice with my new optional battery. All right, so let's see. I forgot to mention, before you do all this, you might want to disconnect the battery, but I kind of started a little bit too late. But I mean, you can still disconnect it, so whenever you put everything back together, just reset the computer. All right, clip on. Let's go ahead and repeat the process on all the rest on this side. This is what it looked like with the new coils. So you can see fresh MSD coil on plugs. So I need to come back tomorrow and get this coil removed. So that's the only one that's on there, but I did change the spark plugs, so all spark plugs are fresh and new. Yeah, the bolt stuck to the intake manifold, so I gotta figure out a way how to remove this. I still gotta replace that tire. Tomorrow I'm getting that fixed, and hopefully we'll be able to remove this bolt out of the intake manifold, and we're all set. Yeah, so this is the MSD coil unplug after installation. So you can see what it's like. Let's roll down the windows. liked the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.